What's up, everybody? It's Groggy D. I've got Agent of Boom, Bright Star. This is the later version, so it does not have reports like I wish it did, but it does have some boom with an agent. 37 shots. This is by Bright Star. Winda makes Bright Star. Kind of the same thing on all sides until you get here. Let's go to the technical stuff first. It's got a lot of color. It's 10 out of 10 for noise. Still does have a lot of noise. It's a straight up cake. It lasts 45 seconds, 46, that's good. 120 with tail. About 500 gram cake, highlighted with whistle to sizzle. And massive breaks of gold willow with color pearls and strobes. Let me show you how this cake works. Even though it's not a angle cake, it does have really small tubes for the whistle shots. The big shots are in some pretty big looking bores there, definitely an inch. In the back we've got a 3-row. They still look like the same size to me. I will definitely get more cakes by Bright Star and some of the classic stuff, of course. Agent of Boom, let's go check it out. Please like and subscribe. I'm Groggy D. Bye-bye.